How to change your name on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your name on Wattpad app easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do, go to Wattpad. This is the home page. As you can see, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and now click here on this little gear and choose account settings option. Click on the first one and go down, and here you can change your full name easy and fast from here, Mark Jacob, and click change, and it's changed successfully, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.